Life in Kenya today is fast, demanding, and sometimes expensive. Many people wake up early from Monday to Friday, work hard, and still feel like their income is not enough. Rent, food, transport, and other daily needs continue to rise. Because of this, weekends have become more than just a time to rest. For many Kenyans, weekends are now a powerful opportunity to earn extra money and improve their lives. The good news is that you do not need a lot of money or a big business to start earning on weekends. With a phone, basic skills, and determination, you can begin a side hustle that pays you the same day. This is especially possible because of mobile money services like M-Pesa, which make it easy to receive payments instantly. This guide explores 10 weekend side hustles that are practical, realistic, and suitable for the Kenyan environment. These are not ideas that only work in theory. These are things people are already doing every weekend and earning real money. Whether you are a student, employed, or looking for work, there is something here for you. Freelance writing is one of the most accessible ways to earn money online in Kenya. If you can write in simple English, you already have a strong advantage. Many people and businesses need articles, blog posts, and website content. On weekends, some clients post urgent work that needs to be completed quickly, and they are willing to pay immediately after delivery. To start, you only need a smartphone or a computer and internet connection. You can find work through online platforms or local writing groups. Some beginners earn about 500 Kenya shillings in a day, while experienced writers can earn 5,000 Kenya shillings or more in a single day. The key is to start small, improve your writing, and build trust with clients. Another strong weekend hustle is social media management. Many small businesses in Kenya do not have time to manage their social media accounts, especially on weekends when customers are most active. This creates an opportunity for you to step in and help. You can create posts, reply to messages, and even design simple graphics using free tools. If you manage just one business account, you can earn about 1,000 to 3,000 Kenya shillings in a day. If you manage multiple accounts, your income increases quickly. The best part is that you can do this from anywhere, even from home. Delivery and errand services are also in high demand, especially in cities like Nairobi, Mombasa, and Kisumu. On weekends, people order food, shop online, and need items delivered quickly. If you have a motorbike, bicycle, or even the ability to move around easily, you can offer delivery services. Some people partner with delivery platforms, while others work independently using WhatsApp groups or referrals. On a busy weekend day, it is possible to earn between 1,000 and 3,000 Kenya shillings. The more reliable and fast you are, the more clients you will get. Selling second-hand clothes, also known as mitumba, is another profitable weekend hustle. Many Kenyans love affordable fashion, and weekends are the best time to sell. You can buy clothes in bulk during the week and sell them on Saturday and Sunday. You do not need a shop to start. You can sell online through social media or set up a small stand in a busy area. With a starting capital of about 2,000 to 5,000 Kenya shillings, you can make daily profits of 1,000 to 4,000 Kenya shillings. Success in this hustle depends on choosing good quality clothes and presenting them well. Content creation has also become a powerful way to earn money, especially among young people. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube offer opportunities to make money through views, brand deals, and promotions. While it may take time to grow, some creators start earning within a few weeks if their content is engaging. You can create videos about daily life, business tips, entertainment, or anything you are passionate about. In the beginning, earnings may be small, maybe a few hundred Kenya shillings a day, but as your audience grows, you can earn several thousand Kenya shillings per day. Consistency and creativity are very important in this field. Online surveys and micro-tasks are simple tasks that anyone can do using a phone. These include answering questions, testing apps, or labeling data. While this hustle does not pay a lot, it is easy to start and does not require special skills. On average, you can earn between 100 and 500 Kenya shillings in a day. This may not seem like much, but it can help cover small daily expenses like airtime or transport. It is a good starting point for beginners who want to explore online income. Dropshipping and online selling are also growing fast in Kenya. This involves selling products online without keeping stock. When a customer orders, you buy the product from a supplier and deliver it to the customer. Popular items include beauty products, electronics, and fashion accessories. With good marketing, you can earn between 500 and 5,000 Kenya shillings per day. Social media platforms are very useful for promoting your products and reaching customers. Weekend tutoring is another excellent way to earn money, especially if you are good at a subject. Many students need extra help with schoolwork, and weekends are the best time for lessons. You can teach subjects like mathematics, English, or even skills like computer use. You can teach online or meet students in person. Tutors often earn between 500 and 3,000 Kenya shillings per day, depending on the number of students and sessions. Graphic design is a valuable skill that can bring in good money over the weekend. Many businesses need posters, logos, and social media designs, often on short notice. If you know how to use design tools, you can complete jobs quickly and get paid the same day. Even beginners can use simple tools to create designs. As you gain experience, your earnings can grow from 1,000 to 6,000 Kenya shillings per day. Creativity and attention to detail are important in this field. Photography and event coverage are perfect for weekends because most events happen during this time. Weddings, birthdays, and parties all need photographers. If you have a good camera or even a high-quality smartphone, you can start small. Beginners may earn around 3,000 Kenya shillings per day, while experienced photographers can earn up to 20,000 Kenya shillings or more. Building a portfolio and networking with clients can help you grow quickly in this business. When you look at all these options, it is clear that earning money on weekends in Kenya is possible. However, success does not happen overnight. It requires effort, patience, and consistency. You may start small, but with time, your income can grow significantly. It is also important to focus on one or two hustles at the beginning. Trying to do too many things at once can be confusing and tiring. Choose something that matches your skills and interests and give it your best effort. Marketing yourself is also very important. Use social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and TikTok to promote your services or products. Tell people what you do and how they can reach you. Many opportunities come from simply letting others know about your hustle. Building trust with clients is another key factor. Deliver quality work, be honest, and communicate clearly. When clients trust you, they will come back and even refer you to others. This can lead to steady income every weekend. It is also wise to manage your money well. When you start earning, avoid spending everything at once. Save some of it and reinvest in your hustle. For example, you can buy better tools, increase your stock, or improve your skills. This will help you grow faster. In the end, weekend side hustles are not just about making extra money. They are about creating opportunities, gaining independence, and building a better future. Many successful businesses in Kenya today started as small side hustles. The most important step is to start. Do not wait for the perfect moment or perfect conditions. Choose one idea, take action, and learn as you go. Every weekend is a chance to move closer to your goals. With determination, creativity, and consistency, your weekends can become a powerful source of income and transformation in your life.